I'm your host, Steve Hall, along with pretty Miss Sheila running that camera. Hi, Sheila.
Hi.
Always doing a great job over there.
Well, thank you.
And this little guy here, he's my Uncle Bob. I called him Uncle Bob because he's just crazy as my Uncle Bob was. He's a DJI Mavic Pro. He loves to fly around and film all kinds of stuff that we can show here on America's Drone Videos. But today, he's going to have to take a back seat because we're going to show you a video by Eugene from right here in Tennessee. He submitted this video, and before he sent it in, he did his own editing and added some helicopter sounds, a little chatter between the pilot and the tower. And when you watch this video, you'd swear you're flying in a helicopter. You got to see it. Here's the newest installment of America's Drone Videos by Eugene from Tennessee.
And Mojave ground, X-ray 1, radio check, taxi to 1-2.
At X-ray runway 7, hold, correction, runway 12, hold short runway 7 and beam return.
Roger that. And Mojave ground, X-ray 1, radio check, taxi to 1-2.
At X-ray runway 7, hold, correction, runway 12, hold short runway 7 and beam return.
Roger that.
be another F5 turning at the intersection of north-south taxiway left of the runway.
Bravo flight.
6TB after your low approach right close.
John, pushing up a little.
Long Easy 6 Delta Bravo, runway 7, land as to hold shorter runway 12, clear to land. Traffic will be 2 jets departing.
6 Delta Bravo, roger.
Cessna 840, traffic's British Nata heading to your right in a left turn northbound.
Side 840.
840, additional traffic will be a F5 and a T-38 departing runway 12 shortly.
Alright, sir, let me know when I can cross the extended center line 840.
Well, what did you think of that, Sheila?
That's cool.
That is too cool. Eugene from right here in Tennessee, who sent that to us, to America's Drone Videos. Great job by adding the helicopter sounds and the chatter between the pilot and the tower and shooting it with your drone and putting it all together. It just makes you feel like you're flying in a helicopter. Thanks for sending that into our show. I got to tell you, we're looking for all kinds of unique footage from all around the country. Maybe you got some footage from your last vacation that you shot with a drone, flew under a bridge, or beautiful shots of waterfalls, or maybe something didn't go just right and you flew into the side of the barn or into Martha's flower pots on the front porch, or you flew it in the house and you really shouldn't have done that and it went right into the side of the TV set. We would love all of that stuff. We just want to get the videos here so we can edit them and put them on this show. There's our email address right across the screen, shotgunredcompany@yahoo.com. Just put in the subject line, just put drone footage. Put in your name and your phone number so we can contact you, and we'll figure out how to get your footage to us so we can include it right here on America's Drone Videos. Sheila, great job on the camera.
Thank you.
Folks, we'll see you next time right here on America's Drone Videos, and just keep flying them drones, having some fun, and please send us the footage, and plus we'll show you the footage that we shoot in the next video. See you then. Bye-bye.